Discretion is advised.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We're out here on one of my large permissions. We are on a road trip for the next week and we're here for a couple days. Tonight specifically we're going after rabbits, and Terry is currently out on another part of the permission going after rats. And so we're going to check in with him. He's got his Weihrauch HW44. I've got my Daystate Alpha Wolf in 30 caliber, and this is configured to about 83 foot-pounds with the 50 grain JSBs, and I've got it topped with the new DNT Optics Thermite. This is a really cool scope. I've been using it for the past month and it fits really well on the Alpha Wolf. We have been here for a good portion of the day. I did bring some other guns with me. I've got the Western Airguns Sidewinder in 22 caliber, and then I've got the big bore 357 Rattler. Today we did do a little bit of rabbit hunting earlier. This place is just hopping with them. There's a lot of rabbits here. The rancher wants them gone because they get into the garden and it's becoming an issue for them. And they do have an issue on this property with coyotes and feral pigs. And so we are going to be here a couple days. You guys will probably see a few videos of this particular trip. And so we're going to be on the rabbits tonight. I'm going to bring you guys along. Unfortunately, I did forget one of my cameras that I do use for outdoor night filming, and so I'm going to do the best I can with what I have, but I'll check in with you guys as we go.
So I went and picked up a Weihrauch HW44 second hand. I love it already. Got it zeroed in where I want it, and we're just waiting for some more to come in. So we've only been in here for about a half an hour and we've already taken 3 of them.
Just taking a little break right now. Did take down quite a few rabbits, and I did go and check in with Terry, and so hopefully you guys got to see that footage. He was able to get some luck on a few rats. He said he was going to stick around there a little longer, and it's already getting pretty late. It's about 10:30, 11 o'clock, and we're going to head out here in a little bit, walk around to a few different spots where I know there are some rabbits, and we'll give it a go. As I was walking around, I did spot a rabbit at 77 yards. I took the shot, I missed, and off to the right by a few yards, I noticed the coyote running from right to left. And so this permission does have a lot of coyotes, and I'm anxious to try and get on them here in the next couple days. So we did have some luck on some rabbits. I know Terry had some luck on the rats. You guys will see more videos from this particular trip, but I really appreciate you guys watching. I will leave links in the description, and I really look forward to seeing you in the next video.
Shooter's ready. Fire.
Go!
This year we have field target out at the field target course down there. It's extreme field target. After that, we also have the steel scramble. We have the big bore event. We have 50-yard unlimited, and we have the 75-yard main event with the finals happening at 100 yards. There's a couple of different classes you can check out and a bunch of different events to shoot in. So this is really, really exciting, bigger and crazier than ever. So make sure you make time for this event in October. It's always the second weekend of October. So plan your calendars out and be sure to be here 2024.